Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Quick video, I would think, or I would say. I need you guys' help to decide on this 1992 Buick Roadmaster. All right, so I just got done doing a starter on this car for the owner, and I was talking to the owner, and he said that he is willing to sell the car because he got other cars. But let's walk around this car and tell me what you guys think. All right, so front end, definitely need a paint job on here. Need new tires. Chrome molding and stuff is gone on it, except for on the side right here. Paint is gone on it, as you can see. Then we're gonna jump in the interior, crank it up and everything. Rocker panel is good. And here's the back, and here's the trunk part. It is antique. It does need a trunk, as you can see, but it does function. Again, the paint work is in terrible condition. And you do have this spot right here, but rather the tires look good. So I don't know if anything was supposed to be right there, but again, the paint is in rough condition. It does have this scrape right here. Mirrors, bad tires. Well, the rim looks terrible. Again, molding, missing the emblem right here. But it's in very rough shape. But I can do a paint job on it and find all the chrome moldings. All right, let's jump inside. Oh, just realized that this is a different color. But yeah, the interior is in very bad condition. This is broken. The steering wheel is completely gone. The airbag is gone, but it does have 153,000 miles. But yeah, I love these antique cars. I love these old cars. So if I do decide I'm gonna have to, my main focus will be getting a new steering wheel, which probably be hard to find, but on eBay I can find one probably, what, $200, $300. So, but this is the reason why I want to get this car. It runs amazing. It runs amazing. That's why I wanted to buy this car. So, got a 5.7 liter. Sounds so good. Smooth like a sewing machine. I think they deleted the AC. I have to figure that out. Do have a battery cutoff switch right here, so something must be killing the battery. But otherwise, the car runs great. And look at all this real estate that you got. I'm standing right here. The engine way back there, so you got like that much feet until you get to the engine. But yeah, it's underneath right here. Let me know what you guys think about this. Is it worth saving? So, yeah, the back seat. Oh, let's see if any buttons work. Nope, that worked. Okay, the front two windows work, but not the back one. Okay, that button works. Had a dog, but yeah, missing a lot of trim panels in here. But luckily, there's two of these Buick Roadmasters at the junkyard that I can see if the headlights work. that I can pull parts off of. Oh yeah, the headlights work. So what you guys think? Is this car worth saving? The engine runs great. You know me, I love to bring cars back to life. And I really don't have to worry about the engine. Just got to worry about the body, oil changes and stuff, little minor pieces here and there. But let me know in the comments, should I rescue this 1992 Buick Roadmaster? So yeah, the owner wants $900 for this car. Do you guys think I should go ask him for cheaper, or is that a good deal for this Roadmaster? $900. Again, the engine runs great. Does need a lot of work, but yeah, I love saving cars from the jump. So let me know. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below and please tell me what you guys think. Should I rescue it? And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.